Now we are going to solve the third problem in this exercise 2.3. The area of a trapezium is 1586 square centimeter. The distance between its parallel sides is 26 centimeter. If one of the parallel sides is 84 centimeter, then find the other side. Okay. So, the area of trapezium is given, distance between its parallel sides is given. What is the distance between its parallel sides? That is the height of the parallelogram. If one of the sides is 84 centimeter, okay, one of the parallel sides is given, we have to calculate the other side. That means A is given, we have to calculate B, either A or B. We can take it in that way. Okay, so here given area is equal to 1586 square centimeter. Distance between its parallel sides, what is it? It is the height, 26 centimeter. One of the parallel sides, let's take it as A. A is equal to 84 centimeter. Find the other side. So, what is to find? We have to calculate B. Okay. So, what is the formula you know? Area is equal to half into H into A plus B. Okay. So, let us substitute the values here. What is area? So, area is equal to half into H into A plus B. I am substituting the values here. 1586 for area, that is equal to 1 by 2 into H is 26. So, A is 84, 84 plus B. So, I keep 84 plus B in one side, 84 plus B in the left hand side, and I move the other terms, other numbers. Okay. So, 1586 while cross multiplying 2 will go to the numerator and the 26 will come to the denominator. Okay. So, 1586 into 2 divided by 26. Now, let us cancel 2 and 26. 1 2 is 2. Here 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. Shall we cancel 13 and 1586? Okay. So, we can cancel or we can divide it like this, 1586 divided by 13. 1 times 13 is 13, remaining 2. So, if I bring 8 down, it is 28. 2 times 13 or 26. So, remaining while subtracting it is 2, 6. So, again 2 times 13 is 26, 0. Okay. So, if I cancel 13 and 1586, I get 122. That means 84 plus B is equal to 122. So, B is equal to, here it is a positive number plus, while coming to the opposite side it will become subtraction. Okay, addition will become subtraction while moving to the other side. So, 122 in the plus 84 it will come as minus 84 there. Okay, 122, 84. If we subtract, what will become? 1 here 12. So, 8. 11 minus 8 it is 3. It's equal to 38 centimeters. So, answer the measure of other side. Okay, or length of other side is equal to 38 centimeters.